Is a 15-year mortgage really the best way to go? You might not think so after you watch this video. So for this example, I'm going to use a $600,000 purchase price with 20% down, and I'm going to use today's average mortgage rates, which are here. So with today's rates, the difference on a 15-year fix and a 30-year fix is approximately $1,061 a month. So the 15-year mortgage is going to cost you an extra $1,061 a month to pay off the loan in 15 years, which will then save you $218,580 in interest, which sounds great, but hold on a sec. But if instead you did a 30-year fixed mortgage and took the savings and invested it in an S&P 500 index fund, which based on its history since 1957 has averaged a 10% historical return, in 15 years, that savings would grow to over $408,000. And your loan balance in 15 years will only be $309,000. So you'll have plenty to pay off that loan in full and still potentially have 6 figures left in the bank. Or another option is for the first 15 years, you save and invest that money, but then after 15 years, you stop putting that $1,000 a month away and just let it sit and grow for 30 years. It turns into 1.7 million. Now, this isn't the best strategy for everyone, but leveraging low interest debt to then take your money and go make more money is a huge strategy the rich use to get richer. Always know your options and always do the math.